After playing PlayStation all hours of the night, I'm exhausted. But wouldn't you know it, my controller demands that I clean it.
Okay, let's try something different.
PS4 controllers, mostly ignored and often overlooked when it comes to cleaning. Pressing sticky buttons and flicking dirty analog sticks just isn't going to cut it. Not only that, when these get dirty, they can stick, ending your amazing kill streak and costing you that elusive championship match. No! Well, rest easy, my friends. Today, I'm going to show you to clean and sanitize your PS4 controller in 4 simple steps. Step number 1, unplug your PS4. As you know, these controllers can turn on the PS4 even if you're on the other side of the house. Last thing we want is to turn it on while you're cleaning it and you start deleting stuff. So just unplug your PS4 for safe measure. Now it's time for step number 2. Grab a microfiber cloth or some cotton, either will do. Pour out some rubbing alcohol into a dish. Dip the cotton into the rubbing alcohol. Make sure you wring it out so it's not saturated. Use the cotton to wipe off the entire controller. This will clean, sanitize, and degrease it. And step number 3, grab your Q-tip, dip your Q-tip into your rubbing alcohol, wipe it off a little bit, make sure it's not saturated, and then use it to wipe off and get on top of all of your buttons throughout the entire controller. Also, make sure you get up around the buttons and underneath your analog sticks. This will complete step 3. And step number 4, take your toothpick and get in between all these cracks that you see around the entire controller. If you look closely, watch what happens when I take this toothpick. Just like that. Go around the entire controller and get all that gunk out of there. So that's it, guys. Implement these 4 steps on a regular basis to ensure your controller is performing at its absolute best and continue your PlayStation domination.